raindrop down. I need grace to come now. What can I say, Lord? I've been so long as late. It like Jeff Hardy within the twist fate, like Dumbo with 1,000 pounds away. I have a heart cold as ice. I'm numb the pain I feel inside. It was hard to do it right. Would you fire up and replay lies? Every drop that hits the ground sounds like voices all around, whispering the things I've lost, reminding me what sorrow caused. What a life worth, but is life worse? Would you put it on the line just for one turn? Do you ask questions later than just burn? Raindrops never lie, they fall from a broken sky. I can think about how it can go wrong if I really lie, like the dreams that slowly died. Raindrops heal my pain, every scar, every stain. It like a machine gun bullet rain. When the storm clouds fill the night, I'm still searching for light. Photographs begin to my piece of promises that made feeling unleashed. All the words we left unsaid cold like breeze, or echo in my head what I need. Thunder rolls across the dark like a fire without a spark. Still I carry every mark, every wound upon my heart. Darkness clouded my judgment to tore me apart. And the rain keeps falling down like a king without a crown, standing where you used to be, hoping you still think of me. Raindrops never lie, they fall from a broken sky, like the tears I try to hide, like the dreams that slowly died. Raindrops heal my pain, every scar, every stain. When the storm clouds fill the night, I'm still searching for the light. Standing in the pouring rain, trying hard to hide the pain. Every memory remains, falling down like raindrop chains. The sky cries tears I understand, washing footprints from the sand. I reach out with empty hands, watching dreams fade, fade from my plan. Maybe one day I'll move on, maybe one day you'll be gone, but tonight the rain remains, singing softly through my pain. The heavens cry the tears I can, for every dream that never had a chance. And though my heart may break apart, the rain still beats inside my heart. I watch the raindrops race down my window pane, every single one reminds me of the pain. You said forever, but forever slipped away. Now I'm talking to the clouds, hoping you still stay. Streetlights blur through the tears in my eyes, trying to find the truth between your old goodbyes. The thunder keeps singing every word we never said, while your ghost keeps dancing through my head. The rain hits my skin like a memory reborn, a reminder that a rose can still grow through the thorns. I'm carrying this heart like a weight I can't release, searching for a little hope, searching for some peace. But every storm eventually runs out of rain, and every broken soul can learn to love again. So I'll stand beneath the clouds and let the heavens cry, because broken hearts may heal, but raindrops never lie. I just wanna know it is worth it, worth it. The only I know, I'm not certain about the purpose. Every goodbye, every breath passing by, every moment passing by, every moment passing by. Raindrop, all I feel is gone. keeps falling, and I keep calling your name into the storm.